So, as soon as I heard the speech of Honorable Chief Minister, that he announced that the Agriculture and Horticulture College will be set up, and also the College for Veterinary, Livestock and Fisheries also will come out in the state, sir. I am very happy for the announcement that was made by our Honorable CM, sir. And also at the same time, sir, while CM made his speech, I have high hope and expectation, sir, that this college, at least one of these college, one should be in Jaintia Hills, sir. This is what I really hoping from our Honorable CM, sir. So, sir, I hope that our Honorable CM will consider this proposal of mine, sir, that at least one such college should be there in Jaintia Hills. I'm not talking in my constituency, but anywhere in any part of Jaintia Hills, sir, at least one college should be there, sir. So, sir, through you, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to urge our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider this request of mine, sir. And also, I'm not talking about myself, but this is a demand of the people in Jaintia Hills that whenever a student want to pursue higher studies, most of them, they have to travel outside Jaintia Hills, sir. They have to go to Ribhoi district, they have to go to Garo Hills, they have to come all the way to Shillong, East Khasi Hills. So at least there's that kind of aspiration amongst the people of Jaintia Hills, sir, that at least one such college should be there in Jaintia Hills. So, sir, I would like to request once again, I would like to request our Honorable CM to kindly look into the matter, if possible, sir, to set up such college in Jaintia Hills. And also, sir, I'll come straight to the point, and that is point number 2 with regard to PHE department, sir. There's one question that was raised by me and also the honorable member from Jowai, sir. From time to time, we raise this issue. And if I'm not mistaken, sir, we have raised the issue since 2022, sir. And that was the issue of setting up one SE office in Jowai, sir, PHE. The honorable member from Jowai also has mentioned this issue from time to time. Even me myself, I have raised this issue in the floor of the House way back in the year 2022, sir. And also, sir, at the same time, I've already received an assurance from the Honorable Minister, sir. But till now, after 4 years, we are yet to see the light of the day. So that's why, sir, I would like to urge upon our Honorable CM to kindly consider this proposal, sir, because as we already know, that Jaintia Hills, being one of the oldest districts in our state, but we are yet to get a superintendent engineer PHE in Jowai, sir. So, sir, I hope that our Honorable CM will take note of this request, sir, and also as already assured in the floor of the House to kindly take this proposal into consideration, sir. And also, sir, point number 3 with regard to veterinary. This issue also, sir, both of us, the MLA from Jowai and myself, we have raised this issue, sir, with regard to the construction of Jowai Veterinary Hospital, sir. And for this issue also, we have already got an assurance in the floor of the House, sir. But till now, we are yet to see the light of the day. And as I received information from some of the staff who are working in veterinary Jowai, sir, they are now function in a temporary building, sir, as a Jowai Veterinary Hospital. So kindly, sir, look into this matter for sanctioning of a Jowai Veterinary Hospital in Jowai, sir. And point number 4, sir, to be very short, with regard to tourism, I am very happy that our Honorable CM has taken keen consideration with regard to tourism. and allocated a fund of rupees 259 crore for tourism, sir. But, sir, I would like to point out at this point of time, sir, with regard to the tourism that is there in Yoksi village. And as per the record that is available with me, sir, that this year alone, more than 1 lakh tourists who came and visit Yoksi village in just a period of 2 to 3 months, sir. But considering the present infrastructure that is there, sir, I really appreciate the government for sanctioning the Swadesh Darshan for the construction of one beautiful resort in Yoksi. But apart from that resort, we are yet to receive any single developmental activities in Yoksi, sir. Whenever tourists used to came to Yoksi, all of them, the first and foremost complaint that they make is with regard to the road sector, sir. All those different tourist places, all the roads which lead to that tourist spot, they are yet to be constructed, sir. So that's why, sir, I would like to request upon our Honorable CM to kindly consider, sir, providing some fund for the construction and also development of tourism in and around Yoksi village. And when it comes to sports, sir, recently I've already met the Honorable Minister, sir, and I hope, as already assured to me, although not in the floor of the House, but verbally, sir, I met him, he assured me that he will sanction one artificial turf in my constituency, sir. Because till now, in Fur Mogoya constituency, there's not even a single artificial turf. So, sir, with regard to border area development, I'm happy to see that the Honorable CM, sir, has allotted 75 crore for border area development. So, sir, I would like to urge upon our Honorable CM, sir. So, there's some strict guideline which restrict us to propose the different project that we want to propose through border area development, sir. So that's why, sir, I would like to urge our Honorable Chief Minister. Last year also, we already discussed about this issue, sir. So, sir, once again, I would like to urge our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly ease the guideline for the proposal of border area developmental projects, sir. And also, sir, I would like to point out the long pending aspiration of the people of my constituency with regard to the civil subdivision, sir. I've mentioned this not less than 6 to 7 times in the floor of the House. So that's why, sir, I hope within these 5 years, we hope to see that a civil subdivision will come out in Laskin block, sir. A land has already been given by the villagers, which is unlimited, sir. As much as the government wants, the land is there in Laskin village. So therefore, sir, I would like to urge again the government through you, Mr. Chairman, sir, to kindly consider the setting up of a civil subdivision in Laskin block. And also, sir, one last point, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, with regard to Mukroh village. Sir, I have met you personally, sir, and the people from Mukroh village also, they already met you, sir, and they make so many requests. And, sir, since you have been there in Mukroh village, you have seen the condition of Mukroh itself. How is it, sir? There are a lot of developmental activities that needs to be done in Mukroh village itself, sir. Till now,
please wind up.
There are so many houses that are yet to be electrified. Until now, there are so many localities in Mukroh village which are yet to get a road connectivity. So, sir, since our Honorable Chief Minister also has already been there during that incident in 2022. So, sir, I would like to request through you, sir, to our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider the proposal for construction of some road and also electrification of the household in Mukroh village. With this few submissions, sir, I would like to thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.